What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And right here, what do we have? And let me show you what I've said in my last videos so that we can connect the dots from there. Aggressive entry, like I mentioned, will be risky, which is something like this, and 50% can be your sell limit order, because if you get a bounce here on Oanda, it will definitely gonna push up from here. In that case, the stop loss is here, take profit here. For the bigger targets, that looks something like this, 50% retracement, stop loss is above this pattern, and take profit something like this. That is something for the bigger target, and I'm still expecting a price to head lower and hit 1.618 retracement. I'll be looking at a pullback to 50 EMA. In that case, we'll have a good pullback, and if we have a bearish engulfer, in that case, we are good to go short. Otherwise, if this candle turns to be a valid bearish engulfer, must cover the previous candle with the whole body. If we have that, we are good to go short. In that case, I'll go 1 ATR from a target, and then you can manage it till this recent low or till this support area right here. I'm expecting a price to push lower at least to hit 2 ATR for the targets. I'm still expecting a price to push lower. Now for the next pullback entry, I'm expecting a price to break below this low and then a pullback followed by bearish engulfing pattern. Awesome. So you see how nicely we've been taking entries here on net gas. The condition was changed right from here. Then we went bearish, and then we were looking for the Fibonacci entry, which is aggressive entry at 50% retracement. So the take profit was 1.618 retracement. That played out nicely. Then price pushed lower. Then price formed a pullback followed by bearish engulfer right here. As you can see, a clear bearish engulfer, and then we looked at this entry yesterday, and that nicely hit the profit. So that is how we need to go step by step with patience and with condition. As you can see, we are now heading towards a level of a support, not a major one, but a good level from where the price has previously reacted out from as a level of support and resistance. So we can still get a good push down in the support, or we might get a condition at or above the support zone. That is why I come every day to give you analysis so that you are aware of the conditions and what to expect next from the moves of natural gas. And that is how your trading should be. Analyze the market and look at the condition before you enter the trade. So for now, we have the zone below. In case you have missed this zone, it is right here. Here on NEMEX is 2.132, that goes up to 2.260. A zone where the price is now heading to, from where we are looking for the possible bullish engulfers or double bottom entry confirmations. Otherwise, as now we have broken below the previous low, we had a bearish candle. Let's say if the price pushes down and forms no condition, and let's say if the price pulls back from here. If we have that, we are still going to go for short trade if we have a valid bearish engulfer, something like this. So we are allowed to take another trade. Once we have a confirmation, we are good to go short for the trades. For now, just look for bearish trades with the pullback, bearish engulfers until we are in the zone. Even though we are in the zone, we can still look for the bearish trades unless and until we see a valid bullish condition within this area of value. Must be a valid bullish engulfer or valid double bottom entry condition, which I'm going to update you guys accordingly. Here on capital.com, exactly the same. Now the zone here, support zone, which is right here, 2.085, that goes to 2.230, a zone from where we are now looking for the possible entries, which I've just mentioned, which is bullish engulfers, double bottom. For now, just look for the pullback, bearish engulfers, and keep on taking shots until we are in the zone below in green. If you have a condition, we're going to go for long trade. No condition, we're going to still look for the bearish trades with the valid bearish entries. Here on Oanda, nicely pushing down, and I'm still looking at this target here on this platform. But as now we are broken below the previous low, which is right here, with the wick, which is right here. So all we are looking at a valid bearish condition, which is a pullback, bearish engulfer. We can still get a double top. If we have that, we are still good to go short. But we are only going to take short trades with the valid bearish engulfers until we are in the zone below, which is right here, 1.965, that goes to 2.057. I know the zone here on Oanda is quite far, but if we get a condition on NEMEX, I'm still going to go long from the zone below or on capital.com. So look for your condition on your platforms. Once you see a valid condition, we are good to take over trades. What a nice push up out of gold. And as mentioned yesterday, after the successful entry, we were looking for the price to form a double top. As now we have no double top, all I'm looking at a valid bearish trade. So at this point, we are in the zone, which is right here, 2003 86.34, that goes to 2004 18.36. Now from this zone, all we are looking at a valid bearish engulfer. Now if this next candle turns to be a bearish engulfer, if it engulfs the previous candle with the wick, that is a strong entry. If not, that is a weak entry. Or what you can do, just prepare yourself with a rejection zone like this. So we can still get a possible move like this and this, which is our valid double top pattern. So if we have this move without a price to close above this first top, in that case we'll have a valid double top pattern. So I'll be looking at a possible double top. In that case we'll have a possible divergence in the RSI, and in that process we might get a possible divergence in the RSI. If we have a double top to it, that will be a strong entry condition. So next candle bearish engulfer. If not, look for the valid double top within this area I've just mentioned. A selling zone, only looking for sell entries. For buy entries, now if you get a pullback above 50 EMA and price forms a bullish engulfer, I'm gonna go long till this rejection box, exit, and look for double top entry confirmation. Initial targets will be 180R. Awesome push up out of silver. We already had an entry right here with a retest, a bullish candle. The price nicely pushed up. That was expected and that was mentioned in my yesterday's video. Let's see what I've said quickly. Here on silver, we have broken above. Again, stop loss can be below. Take profit can be 1-to-1 initially. Otherwise, less aggressive entry, 1-to-1. Stop loss can be below the EMA. Take profit can be 1-to-1. And that could be a possible retest of this triangle pattern with a bullish engulfer. Price will likely push up from here. So awesome. So that is what we call power of patience and enter your trades with conditions. Now, at this point, we are looking at the level above, which is right here. 32.00, that goes up to 32.51, a zone from where we are looking for the possible sell trades if we have a condition here, bearish engulfers or double top entry confirmation. Otherwise, as price broken above the previous high, all we are looking at the pullback above 50 EMA. Wherever we get a valid condition above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, I'm going to go long and keep on taking longs till we are here. Initial targets will be 180R. It's totally up to you if you want to manage it till this zone here, as we have already mentioned, right? If you want to manage this trade till this zone, if you're still managing it, that is an area where you want to exit your trades. Otherwise, for the pullback entries, bullish engulfers followed by pullback above 50 EMA, I'm going to go long till we are in the zone above in yellow. Last one, we have crude oil. Awesome. So what do we have right here in crude oil? As you can see, price from the bearish engulfing pattern, that is a bearish pressure at a right shoulder. So looking at that, I'm expecting a price to head lower here in crude oil. So not taking any buy trades until we are not broken above this rejection box. Once we have that, only then the price will gonna push up from here. Otherwise, that is also an entry, and I'm expecting a price to push down at least 1 ATR from here. As you can see, the ATR is 6, and from here price push down 1 ATR already, but I'm still expecting a price to push down even further from here, at least till this recent low, and then a possible zone for the buy trade, which is right here, 80.60, that goes down to 78.83, from where we're going to look for the possible buy trades. For now, expect a push down. 1 ATR target has been hit as mentioned yesterday, and only expecting a price to push lower until we are below 50 EMA and until the price is below the zone, the rejection box 82.98. Once we are broken above, only then I'm going to start to look for the next buy trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade going. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.